So hey guys, welcome to the Average Coder, and today we are going to discuss about 6 points that you must remember before starting your coding journey. And if you are in your intermediate stage of your coding journey, then the last point which I am going to tell you will be very much helpful for you.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
First point is don't do things randomly. Sometimes I noticed many people just see any playlist on YouTube and start doing that. There's no value of doing anything like this. Everything should be done in a proper systematic way. You can create your own roadmap or a planning for few days before start coding. Never be an aimless guy. The second point is about consistency. Actually, it's the main pillar of coding. There's no need to study or code for 5 to 6 hours in a day. 1 hour of code per day is enough, and I am saying it by my own experience. The only thing is that you have to be consistent 365 days. There's also many ways and tips which will help you to be a consistent coder. I will bring a separate video to just discuss on this topic. Third point is be an active learner. The wrong thing which even I do sometimes is that I am watching in a tutorial and just lie down in my bed and chill. Actually, these bad habits were created during those online classes in COVID time. But nothing is going to happen like that, my bro. You have to be active if you want to learn something. When you are watching a tutorial, keep taking notes or practice the newly learned code in your device time to time. Hey guys, this is the Average Coder, and there's a request for you. Many of you people just watch the video and don't subscribe. Only 16% of you have subscribed, and we are very close to our 100 subscribers, so please subscribe here and make sure that you be our 100th subscriber. Now coming back to our topic, our fourth point and most important is don't memorize code. You will get many awesome coding sheets available in internet. Even I also made a video on this. You may check out after this video. So if you think you will just memorize all questions in that sheet and you will crack any interview, then no, this is not going to happen. If you don't understand the concepts, then there's no value of wasting your time in coding. The fifth point on which I want to talk about is learn to explore. Learn to use Google and Stack Overflow. Means I'm not talking about just go to Google and search your code, then just copy paste. Knowing to search properly is a very powerful skill. When you are learning something new, try exploring more from Google. Try improving yourself. Now the last point, which is also very useful for the intermediate learner, that is participate in contest properly. See, when we hear the term contest, the first thing which comes in our mind is competitive programming, CodeShape, Codeforces and many more. But ultimately when we go to placement, you have to do one thing first, that is online assessment. So for preparing for those, the role of contests become more important. So here also comes the same point, consistency. Trying to participate in contests consistently. You may also take a challenge for you that I will be the 4-star coder in CodeShape in next 3 months at any cost. And as we are talking about these challenges are very much helpful for your coding journey also. You can also get a playlist in our channel named Journey to 100 Points on GFG. So don't forget to give it a look. Now the last thing is that if you can't solve any problem in contest, then go for tutorials of that question. Don't ignore those unsolved questions after contest. So that is for today guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. I will be back with more interesting videos. Till then, keep coding, keep hustling.